What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect to the Wi-Fi via your Epson EcoTank printer. So today guys, I'm going to be using the screen on my Epson EcoTank to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now guys, what you will need for this tutorial is if you have an Epson EcoTank with a screen, then that's completely okay. They all have the same software and hardware guys, so I will be guiding you through the process on how to do this. And if you have an ET-2850 or an ET-2950 series Epson EcoTank, then that is completely okay and this tutorial will still work. So guys, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, you want to make sure your EcoTank is on and you want to make sure that a Wi-Fi is nearby and available to connect to. You can check this with your phone. If your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then your printer should be able to as well. So what you want to do guys is you want to scroll along. So the menu might look a little bit different depending on what model you're on, but it should be the same guys. You just want to go to settings and then network settings over here guys. And then Wi-Fi setup. And then here guys, you can just press Wi-Fi. Press OK here. And guys, you want to do the Wi-Fi setup wizard. So to do that, guys, just press OK. And what it's going to do now is it's just like connecting to a Wi-Fi from your phone. It's going to look for local devices and it's going to see, you should see a list of Wi-Fis that come up here. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to find your Wi-Fi on this list here and then just press OK. So then now, guys, as you can see on the screen, I'm just going to zoom in. We have a keyboard here in which we can enter in our Wi-Fi password. Now guys, if you need capitals, numbers or symbols, just go down on the keyboard to this button here and just press OK, and it should do capitals, numbers and symbols if you need those. So guys, once you enter in your password, then just scroll along on the right, go down and press OK. And then if you've done your password correctly, you should connect. It's a very seamless process, guys, and I hope that this helps. If you're having trouble doing this, guys, I would recommend maybe moving your printer closer to your Wi-Fi box. Try connecting with the Smart app, guys. I do have a guide in the description if you do want to do that. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you do have any problems with this or any questions, guys, feel free to leave a comment down below. That would help us out so much. Make sure to check out our sponsor, guys. If you need any printing supplies or ink or anything like that, these guys are the best. They're the cheapest, and you'll be helping us out a lot by doing this. But thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.